Hi everyone! We are currently in France, Gerardmer, and we rented a little electric boat. And Aylin is the captain today.
And we are turning now.
And we're making a U-turn, or a 360 turn I think. Just look how beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes, you're now in the sun. Yeah, it's sunny. It's a sunny day.
Lilo is also with us. And we have a Liam and a Leia. And a beautiful view with, I think, already almost 30 degrees.
What a beautiful one.
Dat is terug. Ellen is figuring out how to steer. Lilo is figuring out how to get in the water, but she's not allowed to. Just look at the view. It's just so worth it. Have a good day.